going on, everyone, and welcome to another Pedal Commander recap video. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you are a new viewer, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications when we drop a new video, and I hope you'll hit that thumbs up at the end of this video if you like what you've seen. Alright, so for those of you who have been watching for a while, I've been doing Pedal Commander testing on each of the different modes, and I've been running for 200 miles on the various modes. So after this past video, I had run the Pedal Commander off, and I did that test, and I believe I'll put a number up here, but I think it was 13.1 miles per gallon, and that was kind of equal to, pretty much equal to the Sport Plus 2 mode, which I think was at the 13.2. So then I actually now put the Pedal Commander on Eco mode, and I started at +4. So as I said in the last video, the responsiveness of the pedal, I would say, is about 50% of what it is in the Sport mode, and it's 50% more than the Pedal Commander turned off. So I don't really notice that much of a lag with the pedal. Alright, so let's check out what we got. Alright, so we're at the end of this next 200 gallon test at Eco mode +4, and the miles per gallon are 13.0. So Eco mode +4, 13.0 miles per gallon. Alright, so Pedal Commander on the Eco mode +4 came in at 13.0 miles per gallon, and again, that was for a 200 mile test. And so I was hoping for a little bit more. I was hoping we'd maybe get close to 14, but that just didn't happen. So now I've switched to Eco mode +3, and I've reset my miles, and I filled up the tank again. Alright, so I just reset my miles per gallon. You can see refilled the tank, and now I'm at Eco mode on +3 mode. So we're gonna run for another 200 miles and see if we get any improvement. And I'm gonna be running for another 200 miles of testing and see what we come in as for a mile per gallon on Eco mode +3. So, as I've said pretty much in all the videos, I've yet to see any improvement in miles per gallon. And the Pedal Commander claim is about a 20% improvement. So yeah, haven't seen that. So yeah, well, I'm just gonna keep going through the Eco modes, see what happens. And so right now, Sport mode +2 is still the winner, and that's what I'm gonna go back to, unless something drastically, radically awesome happens on Eco mode. So but all right, yeah, that was a quick and little simple video. We're in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, and I hope everyone is staying safe. I'm going back to work tomorrow, and we'll try and make another video this week. It's going to be kind of hard. I'm on a lot of overtime, and there's a lot of craziness going on, so I got to really concentrate on work. I hope everybody is staying safe. Remember, wash your hands, cough in your elbow.
I can't go out. I'm sick.
And maintain your social distance of at least 6 feet. And yeah, so I think we'll make it. But yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching this video. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps our channel grow. Don't forget, down below is a link to our Teespring store where we have some Jeep merchandise available. I hope you go check it out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll answer it as best I can. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next video or on the trail.